Hello students of class 5th C, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class. Your first chapter is completed. Hope you have done all the exercise in your maths copy. Our second chapter is Roman numerals. In this chapter we will study about how to write the numbers in Roman numerals. Some of the numbers in Roman numerals are written as 1 is written as 1, 5 is written as V, 10 is written as X, 50 is written as L, 100 is written as C, 500 is written as D, and 1000 is written as M. Now here is a chart given from numbers 1 to 100 which are written in Roman numerals. The method is very simple. 1 is written as I, then 2 is written as 2I, then 3 is written as I, then the fourth one is written as 1, V, the 5 is written as V. The 4 is written as 1V because it is 1 less than 5. So I will be placed on the left side of V. The 6 is written as VI because it is 1 greater than 6. So I will be written on the right side of V. 7 is written as VII. 8 will be written as VII. Then 9 will be written as 1x because it is 1 less than 10 and 10 is written as x. In the same manner, all the numbers can be written in Roman numerals. Now let me move towards exercise part. So exercise 2A, xv, which is x means 10 and v means 5, so it is 15. xv1, so it is 16. xx means 20 and 1v means 4, so it is 24. In the same manner, xxx, which means 30 and 1x is written as 9, so it is 39. Next one xl, because it is 10 less than l means 50, so it is 40. In the same manner, this one xl, which means 40 and v1 means 6, so it is 46. Here xxx, which means 30, 111, which means 3, so it is 33. Next xl means 40 and v11 means 7, so it is 47. Next one xl means 40 and 1x means 9, so it is 49. L is 50. In the same manner, B and C part you have to do by yourself. In the second question, you have to write the numbers in Roman numerals. A part 14. 14 is written as x, 1, v. 17 is written as x, v, 1, 1. 26 is written as x, x, v, 1. Then 39 is written as x, 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 1, x. Then 28 is written as x, x, v, 1, 1, 1. Then 34 is written as x, 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 1, v. Then 40 is written as xl. Then 46 is written as xl, v, 1. Then the last one 49 is written as xl, 1x. In the same manner, B and C will be your homework. Write in a copy and write in Roman numerals. Question number 3, fill in less than or greater than. This is very simple. In this question, first you have to find out the value of the Roman numerals. Then we will see which one is greater. We will put the sign. A part, XL is 40. XXX1x is written as 39. So which one is greater? 40 is greater. So we will put the sign towards XL. In D part, XL1x is written as 49 and L1x, which means 59. So the sign will be towards L1x. In G part, C means 100 and L means 50. So the sign will be towards C. In the same manner, B, E, H, C, F, I. This will be your homework. Write in your copy and solve them. Fourth question is also the same as 3. We will find out the value. Then we will see which one is greater. As we can see in A part, LXXV, which means 75. The next part is also 75. So these are equal. We will put the sign of equal to. In D part, XC, which means 94. and when we will multiply 16 into 6, we will get 96. So which one is greater? 96. So we will put the sign towards 16 into 6. Remaining questions B, E, C, F will be your homework. Do in maths copy. Question number 5, write in ascending order which means from smallest to largest, and 6-1, write in descending order which means from largest to smallest. First we will do the ascending order. In A part, LX which means 60, XL which means 40, we'll write here 60, 40, then XXX which means 30, LX1X which means 69, LXX which means 70, XXX V11 which means 37. So which one is the smallest? 30 is the smallest. So what will come here? XXX, then 37, XXX V11, then 40 which means XL, then 60 which means LX, then 69 which means LX1X, then 70 which means LXX. So here is the answer. In the same manner, B and 6th question will be your homework. In 6th question, only you have to write in from largest to smallest. Question 7, write the answers in Roman numerals. In this question, first you have to solve them, then the answer will be written in Roman number. In A part, 5 into 8, which means 5 8 ja 40, and 40 is written as XL. So here is the answer. In D part, V multiplied by X, which means V means 5, X means 10. Then 5 multiplied by 10 comes 50, and 50 is written as L. In G part, 7 multiplied by 9 which means 63, and the 63 is written as LX111. In the same manner, B, E, H and CFI will be your homework. Write in your maths copy. Your chapter 2 is completed.